Well, if you drive around Boston long enough, chances are you'll eventually cause a dent or a ding in someone else's car. And those repairs, of course, are never cheap.
Now, there's supposed to be a law in place to make sure that insurance companies don't jack up our premiums after minor accidents. But the I-Team's Ryan Kath shows us some Massachusetts drivers are getting hit with unfair surcharges.
You cause an accident that requires repair work like this, and you're probably not surprised to see your insurance premium go up.
I was checking it out, just checking out the grill, making sure nothing was damaged.
But Zach Clifford thought he dodged a bullet when he rear-ended a car along 128 last January. After the collision, the other driver's bumper didn't seem any worse for the wear.
So after looking at both cars, you thought no big deal.
Exactly.
But a couple months later, Zach was surprised when his insurance company, Liberty Mutual, hit him with a surcharge for an accident that caused just over $500 in damage.
I just thought, how is this fair?
The recent college grad decided to study up on the law and discovered in 2015 Massachusetts raised the threshold for surchargeable accidents from $500 claims up to $1,000. So Zach paid $50 for an appeal, took the day off work, traveled to the courthouse, and won.
Some people, they can't take the day off from work. Other people, they might be strapped for cash, and it's a headache.
So were the insurance companies taking advantage of some sort of loophole?
Definitely. The competition.
A loophole that Senator Mark Montigny says gave them wiggle room around the new surcharge limits by allowing them to set their own plans.
So we said, okay, we'll fix it, and we'll make it completely unambiguous.
When the I-Team contacted Liberty about the surcharge limit, a spokesman told us there had not been explicit direction from the state about the new threshold, saying the transition requires significant system and operational changes. He added Liberty is now working as quickly as possible to make the switch for Massachusetts customers.
It doesn't say take your time. It says meet the need of the consumer and stop ripping them off. And that's what it is. They're basically ripping consumers off.
Zach is relieved he saved hundreds of dollars in premiums by getting the surcharge removed from his record, but still thinks he should get a $50 refund for having to appeal a fender bender that barely required a trip to the body shop.
It was just difficult. It was just a big pain.
And it's not just Liberty. Other large insurance companies like Progressive tell the I-Team they'll be following these new limits. But the bottom line here is, if you're a driver that gets in a fender bender and the damage is less than $1,000 and you get hit with a surcharge, make sure you fight it. For the I-Team, Ryan Kath, WBZ News.